Hey everyone, what's up? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed yesterday. It is an origami dog, and it's actually got a 3D mouth right here. Yeah, but obviously you can draw the eyes on. And yeah, and it's pretty simple. And here we go. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square origami. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. So this model is super simple, except making the mouth 3D is a little bit challenging. So, yeah. And unfold and make a paper airplane fold. You might hear a little bit of noise in the background because I'm in a hotel room right now. Okay, and airplane fold here too. Alright, and fold the two sides to the crease. Bit. Alright, and fold this edge to that point. Okay, rotate like this, and airplane fold right here too. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see this. Alright, now here's the fun move. We're going to take this paper and just pull it out like this. And don't flatten it down, fold it to the right like this. These are going to be the two ears of the dog. Alright, and take this flap and pull it out also. And fold it to the left like this. And there are the two ears. And we'll shape them a little bit later. So now let's turn over, and you can actually keep the ears like this if you want. Now if you just want like a really simple dog, then you can just fold this up like this if you want to make a mouth on it, or else you might like it pointy like this. That doesn't really look like a dog, so just fold this up however much you want. This is really to taste. But there's kind of a guide mark. You can, if you want, you can fold this point up so it aligns with these 2 points, but it doesn't really matter, just do it to taste. This is the mouth. So there's a nice simple dog, and you can, go ahead and draw your eyes on if you want. I'm not an artist, by the way. I don't draw very often. And there's your dog. Now, if you want to be more tricky, if you want to 3-dimensionalize the mouth, and maybe you can round it right here if you'd like, then here's how to do that. So let's round the ears off first, and then we'll do the mouth. So just turn over on this side and just fold these points into taste. We're just rounding it, but you don't really need to do that. See? And that was a little bit better. It's more rounded. Maybe you can shape the ears if you want to. Make them less pointy. Alright. Okay, so now there's the rounded dog. And now, if you want to make the mouth 3D, then here's how to do that. And this is kind of challenging, so do this at your own risk. So here we go. So I recommend for this using a pen. I think this is just one of the pens for the hotel. It happens to be right here on the table. Okay, and we're just going to open this. Now if you're using big paper, you can probably use your finger, your bare hands, but I'm using a pen. And just open up that pocket, and now push down right here like this. So we're just indenting the paper. Just to about like that. And this is trickier on this side, so try and open up this pocket right here too. This is tricky. Alright, there we go. That was probably the hardest part. And now just indent the paper like this. And try and make this into like a pyramid kind of thing. Like this. Just really do it to taste. And then you can make a mountain fold right there to make it sharp. And then now right here you can fold the tip. You can press the tip like this and fold it down a little bit like that, and then make some mountain fold right here to kind of shape it. Alright, they had to shape it to taste. And there is the three-dimensional mouse. And yeah, that was a little bit tricky. Hope you guys were able to do that. But if not, then the simpler version was good too. So yeah. And that's pretty much it for this model. I don't really think this model is an action model. It's more like a cool looking model. And yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.